How's it going, everybody? This is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you guys haven't checked out my latest videos, I suggest you go check them out real quick. And as always, please drop a like and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Okay, now we're looking at my paper trading account. So today the Dow Jones is actually up 0.47%, the Nasdaq being up 0.68%, and the S&P 500 being up 0.46%. So after last week's pretty much a correction into the market, especially into the Nasdaq, it's basically coming back up now. So let's see what's going on with my account. As you guys can see, I have Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. I have 3 shares at my average price being $2,008.58, and the price currently being at $1,994.24. In total, I am down 0.71% with Amazon. Next is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. I have 17 shares with my average price being at $294.67, and the current price being at $287.66. As you can see, I am down 2.38%, but today I'm actually up 2.46%. The next one we have is Apple. Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. I have 15 shares. My average price being $227.83, with it currently being at $227.46. I am down 0.16%, which is nothing. Next one I have here is Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. I have 15 shares. My average price being at $279.24. And the current price being at $273.81. And I am down currently 1.95%, and today I am down 1.66%. Next one I have is Facebook, ticker symbol FB. Right now I currently have 37 shares, my average price being at $174.44, and the price currently being at $161.59. And in total I am down 7.37%. Most likely will be averaging down on my position right now, depending on what happens for the rest of the week with the market. Next one I have here is Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. I have 32 shares, average price being at $173.50, with the current price being at $165.32. I am down 4.52% in my position in total. Next one I have Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. I have 33 shares. My average price being at $112.07, with the current price being at $112.79. I am up 0.64% in my position in Microsoft. Next one is Canopy Growth with a ticker symbol CGC. I have 80 shares. My average price is $44.49, with the price being right now at $49.12, and I'm up 10.41% with this. And in total, my account is down 1.53%, which is $581.41. And today I am down 0.55%, which is $205.03. And my account value so far is $37,312 with 55 cents. So when I started this account was basically last week was probably the worst time to start, because as soon as I bought in, I'm pretty much at all-time highs. As soon as I bought in, basically the whole market corrected, especially the Nasdaq, and which you can see most of my stocks are technology, except for Canopy Growth. I'm going for more of a higher risk account. So let's actually check out the graphs real quick. As you can see here in the 1-year graph, Apple is just continuing to grow, especially with Apple announcing the new iPhones. I'm expecting Apple to keep going up more and more. And I will only buy more Apple shares once it goes down. Every time there's a negative day, I'll probably buy 1 or 2 more shares. Next one is Amazon. Same thing with Amazon. Look at that, just perfectly going up. It's insane. And same thing with Amazon. I'm only going to buy some shares when the stock price goes down. And Alibaba's been like a roller coaster, up and down, up and down. With this, I plan on doing more swing and day trading. I want to get more into swing and day trading because I want to capture some more gains. Like usually in the beginning, I was just holding, but I want to start buying in the low and then selling some of my shares up when I have a profit, and then buying some more when it gets down, so I can keep averaging down. And I think that's like the best strategy there is. So like if I buy right here, I'm probably gonna sell maybe 5%. It keeps going up, I'll sell 5% more of my shares of this company, and I'll keep doing that. And if it goes down, then I'll buy some more right here. I'll buy some more right here, just so my averages go down, and I keep getting little profits on the way. So I always have money on. So I'll always have money on the side just in case if another correction happens, which happened as soon as I started this account. And next one is Tesla. As you can see, Tesla, crazy. Basically went down from all the way up to basically 380. Went down to around the 250-ish mark, which that's a huge dip. And is all the way back up to 290 almost. So it went up quite a bit from 250s to around 290. A little bit over like a 15% gain if you were perfect, but of course no one can go and purchase at the lowest and sell off the top. Not even the best investors can do that. You'll be lucky to even buy at the lowest, but you can never predict when the top is going to happen. That's why I'm saying that the best idea is to try to buy. Maybe you won't hit the lowest of the low, but you can buy right when it starts going up, and as soon as it goes up a few percentages, start selling off a little bit, but don't sell off your whole position. Because I'm only doing these swing and day trades with the companies I believe in the long term. So say if I buy Nvidia, right, it goes down, it goes down to like right here, 240. I buy some and it keeps going down, 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 down. I'm not gonna be scared because I believe in Nvidia in the long term, and I feel like it could keep going up. You know what I'm saying? So if it goes down, I'll buy more, and I won't be afraid to hold it for like 5+ years if it takes that long to recover, because I know in the long run I'll make my money back and get a profit. And Canopy Growth, the only cannabis company that I own, is just insane right now. It is going down a bit. Yeah, it's going down more and more. We can see when it starts bottoming out, so we can start buying some shares with this. Because this same thing with this stock. This stock goes up and down 5% every single day, basically. And Facebook, let's look at the 1 year. And Facebook, same thing. Basically, I was buying some shares over here, and I'm not afraid for it to keep going down because I know in the long run it's going to be going back up because I believe in this company for the long term. Probably it's like one of the best times to buy right now, just because it is hitting a support, and I don't think it's going to pass this support as it hasn't passed it yet, and it's still bouncing on it. I might buy some more shares. And look at Microsoft, same thing as Amazon and Apple, just keeps going up. All the top 5 biggest companies are just going straight up. And what I plan to do with this portfolio, I want to get it up to around 50,000, and I'll have 50,000 cash, just a swing trade, and I won't add more to my long-term position, so I'll just keep it at around $50,000 and have the rest just for swing and day trading, and see how much I can grow that 50,000 up into. But I'll always have that 50,000 in cash to swing and day trade and average down my positions. Maybe even buy some more different companies like AMD. I actually want to get into AMD. The companies I also want to get into is AMD and Visa. Maybe if there is other companies that you guys can suggest down in the comments, then maybe I'll take a look and I'll add them also to my portfolios. But yeah, finally, thank God the Nasdaq bounced back, basically up 0.68% so far today. Hopefully it can keep going up so I can finally get into the green, which I'm only down 1.53%. But anyways guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one.